What's going on, everybody? Robles Jr. here, and today we're going to take a look at the latest and greatest custom themes under the Custom Themes Manager. And if you don't have this app already, I do have a video on how to install it, a tutorial. I'll leave that link in the description down below. Let's take a look at what we got for the latest themes. Here we have the 300ZX theme, the Monster Hunter Corpse, Persona 5 Royal. Next we have Totoro, Persona 5 Royale, Task Force 141. Let's move on to the next page. We have Tate no Yusha no Nawari. That one looks kind of cool. I'll download this one here. Next we have Bioshock Infinite, Traditional Japan, Mobile Suit Gundam 1979, Hollow Knight, and 80s PS Vita. That one is a must. I have to get that 80s theme going here. And this app is just amazing. Any theme you want, you can start downloading it. It'll start downloading the zip file, and then after it's finished, it will start extracting those files into the correct folder, which is nice. And it doesn't take too long. We press start to write and we're good to go. Back on the page we're at. I'll hit the Traditional Japan too to check that one out. You can report problems with each theme. If you come across any, you can report it and let the other users know that, hey, I've come across a problem or whatever. And if there's enough, maybe the developer or the original creator of that theme will do something to fix it. Let's press start. Perfect. Let's hit the Mobile Suit Gundam. I'm going to download that one too. Alright, moving on to the next page here. And we got Fate Gilgamesh, Dragon Quest, Persona 3, PlayStation 20th Anniversary, Persona 5 Royale, and Ghost in the Shell. Gotta have the Ghost in the Shell. It's one of my favorite movies. I did check these out before, so that's why you don't see the new tag on each of these. And just a lot of anime. I wish there was more than just anime. Here we have the Wii menu enhanced. Let's check this one out. It's probably going to be something very simple with just the Wii background, and that's about it. And maybe the music. Hopefully the music. Grovyle from Pokemon. Cyberpunk, that one looks cool. I'll download this one. Next page we have Akira theme. I'm gonna download this one too. I apologize for the echo. I just moved into my new place and my new room, and it's still very empty, and I'm trying to find a solution on how to install my wall panels the best way I can. Next page we have Persona 4 Golden, Hardcore Henry, Nezuko, A Pink. Next page, PS2 Memories, Futuristic, Minimal, and that's it. So I downloaded a total of 7 different themes. So let's back out of here and go to our first option and apply and install theme. Let's try the Akira theme. Oh, this is going to be very cool. So unfortunately, I had to mute this video here and do a voiceover separately, because after I uploaded the original video onto YouTube, they came back to me after seconds of processing, fully processed. They're saying, hey, we found copyright material. We're going to block this video worldwide. And I had a couple of emails from YouTube saying, hey, this is not a copyright strike. We're just letting you know that we found copyright material that you are not allowed to use on your channel. So I had to block out the audio because some of these themes do play music, and I'm not sure which one of these themes is the copyright material or has the copyright material. So we're just going to play music in the background and do a bit of voiceover here. So the first theme that we were looking at was the Akira theme, and that one's a really cool theme. Unfortunately, you only had like 4 wallpapers there, so, and some of the icons were not that great. But hopefully in the future, when I'm making more of these custom theme videos, we'll just mute the music, and that way we can just take a look at the wallpapers together and see the difference between the icons and things like that. So I do apologize about that, and I hope you still enjoy this video. And we'll just continue on with some music in the background and go from there. And we got the Wii menu enhanced. Oh my, that is so nostalgic. We have the original Wii music in the background. Wow. I guessed right. And here are our icons. Did you hear my accent? And there's the lock screen. Very nice. I like this one, it's very nostalgic. Let's go check out another one here. And Ghost in the Shell. So it looks like I downloaded a total of 8 themes, not 7. And it's just amazing. They're listing new themes almost every month, so I would like to cover them as they get released. And there's just so much to go through, and just picking some of my favorites that I see right off the bat here. And I'm not going to go through all of them, obviously, because there's too many and probably won't like half of them. So you can go through this entire library of 165 different pages of themes, mostly anime, which is unfortunate because there's not a lot of, I don't know, I just wish there was more variety instead of all these different anime shows and movies and characters and all that stuff. Is more variety would be a lot better for this app. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Any questions, comment down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.